All right, question number 1 in the hard module. Still going to be very easy. The bar graph summarizes the charge in kilowatt hours a battery received each day for 15 days. For how many of these 15 days did the battery receive a charge of 0? Okay, well, there's 0, and it's 6. So 6 is the answer. That's it. There's nothing more. What else should we talk about? I got to drag this thing out. Well, how about the fact that sometimes people ask me, should I go to the hard questions first in the math section so that I can make sure I have enough time to answer them? Well, it's the math section, so let's do some math. If you spend time on the hard questions and you run out of time, you won't have time for this at the end. And obviously, this is an easier 10 or so points to get on the test. So should you start at the end of the math section and work your way backwards? No, that's stupid. Don't ever do that. Get the easiest points first and build towards the hard ones. And yeah, you might run out of time on the hard ones. It's not the end of the world. But if you're locking in points on stuff like this, it's still fine. Your score is going to be great. So don't do weird pacing things. In math, just go in order. When you get to around question 15, then you can start to skip around because then questions are going to be hard, but they're hard in different ways that might be good or bad based on your strengths and weaknesses. So that's when you can start skipping around. But you got to get these points easily. It literally took me 3 seconds. Your pacing on the hard questions is not affected by your pacing on this.